Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a brand new 2020 DRV Mobile Suites. This is the 39 DBRS3 that just showed up. Very beautiful coach, very luxury, super nice. Come on inside, let me show you. This is going to have the solid stairway coming in. This is the bath and a half model. Pan over on the door side immediate, and we have the slide out with the dinette and the theater seating. This is going to have a slide out dinette table, and then it unlocks with another leaf that goes in here, so it's going to spread out. I'll show you. It's got locks here so it doesn't slide open. Leaf stored inside, so we got a nice big dinette table there with nice positive locks so it doesn't slide out while you're in transit. Two more folding chairs. Storage space, counter space behind with drawers and cabinets. Plug-ins, USB plug-ins beside it as well, so it could be used as a desk area and or dinette full of cabinetry. Overhead cabinetry here. Beautiful wood, solid wood cabinetry with the piston hinges and nice hinge work. Very deep. Wooden valances above the windows. It's got the duo day and night shades, blackout or day shades. Power theater seating here, looking directly at the TV. Very nice. It's going to have massage mode, recline, close, light, lock. Overhead cabinetry above the sofa. Sofa's a hide-a-bed. You got little tables beside or end table next to the window and the couch on each side. Dual pane insulated glass. Dimmer switch here for the living room lighting. Above, little sconce lightings on the pillars of both slides on both sides. Nice big 55-inch LG smart TV with the JBL soundbar. We got the fireplace. Plenty of storage throughout. Another pull-out drawer here with the soft touch close. Cabinetry beside on both sides. Overhead cabinetry. Got the Winegard power antenna. Sony Blu-ray DVD player. Cabinetry here. Backlit above with adjustable shelving. Got an appliance garage here with pull-out. This unit also has the Voyager digital wireless observation system for backup camera. Nice bank of drawers throughout, all the way down. Dishwasher. Cooktop area here with a 3-burner cooktop with a hinged cooktop cover. Solid backsplash, just like what you see in the countertop area. Big oven with the glass door see-through. Overhead, we have the Whirlpool microwave convection, just like at home, residential style. Tons of cabinetry again throughout. Under sink storage, as well as the one-piece double sink stainless steel with residential faucet. That's a pull-out spray nozzle and adjustable hot and cold. Whirlpool refrigerator with its own filter system, an in-fridge water dispenser with the lower deep freeze and ice maker down below. Overhead cabinetry again above. Side cabinetries next to. So you never run out of space of cabinetries in the DRV Mobile Suites, along with the big, huge 13-gallon garbage can in a pull-out drawer. Very handy. We get into here, moving forward, the bath, the half bath with the stackable washer and dryer cabinet, or just another cabinet in the bathroom with overhead cabinetry as well. Nice big window, fantastic fan, solid surface sink with bowl sink area there. No seams in the countertop between the counter and the sink itself. Got this toilet there. Step lighting for night lighting as well as the overhead lighting. This would be your control station here with all of your controls for your lighting, slide outs, energy management system. This also has the onboard surge protector system built in, overhead cabinetry above. This is the dark wood here, very, very luxurious looking. We've got the pocket door here, very solid, backlit with mirror on the back side. King bed above, storage underneath, 2 more folding chairs in the closet, overhead cabinetry, individual dimmer switch for your reading light at the bed area with individual windows on both sides for fresh air. Very, very nice. Got little countertop areas on both sides of the beds with plug-ins on both sides and a little cabinet beside each side as well. Bedroom TV, this also has the sound bar for it as well. And then we have the DVD player, all pre-wired for satellite if we need to go that route. And then we got the vanity here with the drawers, cedar lined drawers here, soft touch closed drawers, dimmer switch for the overhead lighting in the bedroom, as well as the lighting in the slide out. Then we walk into the master bathroom. This is where it all makes this floor plan. Very nice big large bathroom, double sink, double vanity, fantastic fan with control on the wall, big shower, solid surface bowl on the toilet there with the this model is going to have the macerator system for the toilet going to the black tank. Lit closet here, that's a walk-in closet, nice and deep. As we look around inside here, we got shelving on the back side, shelving on the front, all cedar lined, built-in safe, also with a bank of drawers and a countertop with a mirror inside the closet. And then when the closet closes up, we got the backlit mirrored closet doors there. Very, very nice. Adjustable shelving in both of the top and the bottom closets there, cabinets there. All cabinets down in the sink area. So plenty of space throughout. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Pop open the basement door here. This is going to have the optional storage tray that pulls out from either side. The furnace system here, very, very nice. Gray tank down below, black tank up above. The DRV Mobile Suites is built with a triple stack box tube frame setup. So you got 2x3, 2x6, 2x6 again. Gives us a 2x15 floor structure, 2x6 beam structure all the way from front of back doorway all the way out to the end. Dual 2-piece end cap. Nice paint with the clear coat over the whole thing. Moride pin box. Very, very nice. Pre-wired and set up for gen prep here. Battery system here with the disconnect system. 2 10-gallon propane tanks on a pull-out tray. The other side of the basement, again, pull-out tray pulls out this way as well. Then we always like to show off the copper manifold system, the water managed manifold system for the coach with the full house filtration. Wool insulation, not fiberglass. Thick baggage doors, thicker exterior walls than any other ones out there. Big water heater, gas and electric. Gray and black flush systems on the tank systems. 17.5 tire and wheel. H-rated tire tread. Tapered lug nuts on the wheels, so Won't back off on you while you're traveling. Put many miles on them once they're torqued. Rear cord reel on the back end, that's a power cord reel. 50 amp service. One piece end cap out the back. All LED lights inside and out. Tail lights all the way around. Plug in here if we're going to have a little tote tray or something that needs lighting. We're all pre-wired for it with the hitch there. Backup camera like I mentioned inside. Dual pane frameless insulated windows. Dual patio awnings with lights and the Uniguard covers. Auto leveling system. This unit has it all. If you want the home on wheels, the luxury fifth wheel going down the road, staying in the desert 6 months out of the year, or whatever you're going to use it for, this has got to be the best built, luxurious coach that you're going to find right here in Junction City, Oregon. And if you have any questions on any of the floor plans that we can carry, order for you, or get for you, make sure you talk to me. My name is Clay Thompson. I'm with Guaranty RV Center. I've been here 15 years, and I really like this product, and I know it well. So if you have any questions or want to discuss talking about a purchase of one, make sure you contact me. My direct line is 541-979-1770. Make sure you call me. Thank you. Bye-bye.